In this video, we will show you how to replace your upstream O2 sensor on this Mercury Grand Marquis. The upstream O2 sensor will be located on either side of your exhaust closest to the engine. Let's get started. All right, friends, as you can see, the O2 sensor is connected to your exhaust. Before you do anything to remove this, make sure the exhaust is cool to the touch. Now let's move along to removing the electrical connector. There's a small tab you can squeeze in with your index finger and gently pull this down. Once you have it dislodged, continue on to its securing point in this black bracket. We'll slide that up and out of there. Now we can let this wire hang. Now we can use our O2 sensor socket and a 3/8 drive ratchet to remove the O2 sensor from the exhaust. There it is, friends. The next thing you want to do is inspect the hole on the exhaust where your brand new O2 sensor will go. Let's get this started in by hand as far as we can, and then we'll snug it up with our O2 sensor socket. Right there, it feels like it bottomed out. We'll just make sure it's nice and snug. Remove your tool. Now let's bring our wire up and over the exhaust, put it into our black clip, listen for a click from that, and make sure it's secure. Okay friends, we fully installed our upstream O2 sensor. The process for one side of the vehicle would be the exact same thing for the other O2 sensor. After this point, go ahead and slide out from underneath the vehicle. Start up the car and make sure it runs okay with no check engine light. After that, take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.